Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the meter ID and account number. This prevents linking the wrong device. Next, make sure your router provides stable Wi-Fi or a direct Ethernet connection. Weak networks cause failures. Open the utilities online portal and sign in with your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to Meter Management or Add Device. You do this now so the portal can detect your meter during the authorization phase. Acting promptly reduces timeouts. Once the portal shows Add Meter, put the physical meter into pairing or enrollment mode. Follow the manufacturer's quick steps printed on the device. Then enter the meter serial number and the portal's authorization code. This is how the system matches hardware to your account. Make sure the meter firmware and the portal's security token are current because mismatches block communication. After entering details, click Authorize, wait for the confirmation message, and keep your device connected until finalize by confirming the data feed is active. Look for recent timestamps and live readings. Then set the reporting interval, alerts, and user permissions so you receive relevant notifications. Save settings and note the confirmation ID. Take a screenshot for records. If readings do not appear after 15 minutes, restart the meter and router, then reauthorize. Intermittent network NAT or firewall rules often block the feed. If that fails, contact support with your confirmation ID for expedited help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.